So here I'm going to show you how to load a new theme on WordPress. So I am on my dashboard here. I go to appearances, themes, click on themes. You can see there are some free ones here. I'm not going to use any of them, but I'm still going to delete some of them later. So just click on add new, then upload theme, choose file. Okay, choosing file. Mine is in my downloads folder. DB is a zipped folder, as you can see. Open it. You can see here DB zip. Click on install. So now the speed will depend on how fast your Wi-Fi is. Wait a minute or so. So you can see installing theme from uploaded file DB zip. The summary is theme installed successfully. So now you can click on activate. Activate, and tada! We have our DB theme. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. See you some other time.